Our children really like to hear that they are wrong. So today, let's have a look at an activity that's going to help our children learn from their mistakes without hearing that they made them. It's number 59 of the Parents Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children, and it's called Close Inspection. For this activity, we're going to write two very similar texts. The only differences are going to be based on the mistakes that our children typically make or what they're working on. But make sure it's not one text that's completely correct and one with mistakes, but the mistakes are in both texts. Once we have the text ready, our children are going to start comparing the text. And whenever they find a difference, then we need to choose one of the two options and explain to us why they choose one or the other.
Oui, alors comment tu sais c'est lequel?
Celui-là, parce que
Oui.
c'est dans le passé.
Oui, c'est ça, ok.
First, we should make the text short enough so that our children can keep their attention up. The second tip is to let them know how many mistakes there are so that they can spot all of them. And the last one is that as much as possible, our children need to be able to justify their choices. And as much as possible, we should make these mistakes, corrections, things that our children can explain. Because understanding why something is wrong or why this is right is going to make it more memorable.
Pluriel,
Oui,
et avec beaucoup de garçons. Mais
voilà.
là, ça peut pas être juste un garçon.
Voilà.
Là, et ça, c'est comme dans le passé.
So the advantage of close inspection is that children can work on their own mistake. By only focusing on certain difficulties, it's going to help them improve more rapidly and confidently. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it around with other families and teachers. And if you're looking for more ideas to foster your languages in a fun way, check out our books, The Parents Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children and the Toolbox for Multilingual Families. We'll see you next week with a new activity from Uta, and until then, keep playing, learning and having fun with all your languages.